Lives are now available on TikTok. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to access them if you have them available currently on TikTok in 60 seconds or less. So you're going to open up TikTok, click the little plus sign, and when you go to hit live stream, click go live. And if you have live streaming available, you should have dual lives available. Doesn't mean it's available for everyone. So the little button in the lower left-hand corner that looks like the link, you can go and invite anyone who is currently live. So both people need to be live. And then this is really interesting. You only see the comments on your side of the chat. So for example, we could pull a random person on here and invite them on. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what happens. Only one invite can be sent at a time. So if they accept, which they may or may not, they'll come on live. Oh, hi! How are you? All right, and then to end it, you hit confirm. There we go. Pretty cool.